Get out of here. I see you. Huh? Get out of here. Oh man, that was a pretty good sized fucking black bear right there. Right there. It was coming over here. I heard a little gruff. So, fucker wants to see what I got on the ground here. I'm trying to pick up. And good thing I didn't have Bubs out here. He went right fucking back there. I'm still like mid cleanup here and I can't see because I got shit hanging up there. I came right up here. I'm trying to get all the fucking food out of the top and all that. Now do I go in the fucking tent with him prowling around with Bodie? You know, everyone else has got a fucking RV out here. Sleeping in the fucking car tonight. I don't have the fucking bear spray because it's in the other car. I have no idea where it went. Or if it's got fucking cubs with it. But it's fucking prowling. So, I'm just gonna get this fucking packed up real quick here. I'll keep an eye out. Fucker was right here. I had my light dim low. And I look and I see fucking eyes right here. In the bush, 10 feet away from me. And it came down here like this. I think I caught part of it and went back that way. So, hi. For fuck's sake, man. That got me. It got me. I heard it though. So, fuck, man. Kind of worried now because I got Bubby and like he's so fucking docile. But he kind of skedaddled when I yelled. He or she, but I'm trying to get all this shit picked up here. So there's someone camping over there. I see some reflection. And someone right here. It's not that late. Hanging, trying to dry out from the flood. And I got all this extra shit. So I gotta watch the other side here. Sneak around it. Right there. Right, some fucking eyes right there. See that? Right there. Isn't that? Huh. Fucker spooked me now. I wasn't expecting no fucking bear right here at night. Oh, I saw one. Wonder if we got it on fucking video. Just wonder if I fucking scared it or if it's coming back around. I mean, flip this around, dry it on the fucking engine. Oh, little stinky bastard. Well, I just set this bitch up for moving, not for fucking sleeping. Damn it. Well, let me get this fucking picked up. I had this laying on the ground. I was probably coming to see what the fuck is going on here. What I could get into. I don't want all my shit all shredded, so I'm getting this fucking picked up.